For disassembly and reassembly, you will need a 1/2-inch socket and an impact driver. To prepare the Today Sleeper for disassembly, remove the back cushions and fully open each side of the bed. With a 1/2-inch socket, remove the center bolt from the back unit. Pull down the two back sections. Then remove the two bolts from the back on each side. Next, return the two back sections to the upright position. Remove the back section. Then open the two bed sections and roll the arms forward. Then remove the two bolts that hold on each arm. Finally, fold the box down and close the bed sections. Then take care to reinstall the safety straps before moving. To reassemble your Today Sleeper, place your foot against the front rail to prevent rolling or turning, and then fully open the bed sections. Roll the frame forward onto the front deck. Position the arm in its face, and with the 1/2-inch socket, reinstall the two bolts holding each arm to the box. Rotate the arms to sit on the floor and set the back unit into place. Replace the center bolt in the back unit. Fold down the rear bed sections, then reattach the back unit to the arms with two bolts on each side. Finally, fold up the rear bed sections, close the two front bed sections, and put the cushions back into place. You've now reassembled your Today Sleeper.